Chapter number 11, Fundamental Concepts. We have already read about constants and variables, term, algebraic expression, types of algebraic expression, product and factors. Now today we are going to learn some more terms. First is coefficient. In a monomial which has got only one term, any factor or group of factors of a term is called the coefficient of the remaining part of the monomial. Now for example, 5x, y, z children. What are these 5x, y and z? What are these? They are factors. So he is telling us that any factor, any of them, either 5, x, y or z, or you can say group of factors. Make a group. Suppose 5x, 5xy, 5z, 5y, xy, xz, like this. These are the group of factors of a term, and this is a complete term, monomial. This is a complete term. Now any factor or group of factors of a term is called the coefficient of the remaining part of the monomial. Suppose we have taken this 5xyz. Now 5 is the coefficient of xyz. X is the coefficient of 5yz. Remaining part of the monomial. Clear? Similarly, if I take xz, it is the coefficient of 5y. Remaining part. Out of 5xyz, I have taken xz. So remaining part is what? 5y. If I take x and z, what is remaining? 5y is remaining. So xz is the coefficient of 5y. xy, if I take xy out, what is left? 5z. So xy is the coefficient of 5z. Clear this thing? This much is clear. Now, if a factor is a numerical quantity, means that is a constant, it means it is a number. It is called numerical coefficient. If it is a numerical quantity, then it is called a numerical coefficient. While the factor involving letters a, b, c, d, x, y, z is called the literal coefficient. Therefore, again see this example 5x, y, z. In this 5 is the numerical coefficient because it is a numerical quantity. And each of x, y, z, 5x, 5y, 5z, xy, yz, all of them are what? Literal coefficients, where they will be involving letters. 5 is here, but it is having x also with it. Again 5 is here, but it is taking y also along with it. So then they will be called literal coefficient. Clear? This much is clear. Now next point is degree of a monomial. We are talking about monomial children, which has got only one term. The degree of a monomial is the exponent power of its variable, or the sum of the exponents of its variables. If only one variable is there, then its power, and if more than two variables are there, or two or more than two variables are there, then their sum. Now let's see example, it will be more clear. The degree of 4x square. Can you see the term? It is a monomial, single term. The variable over here is x and its power is 2. So the degree of this whole term is 2. Why? Since exponent of x square is 2. Similarly, degree of 7x is 1. When there is no digit over here, there is no power, we take it as 1 children. Okay. So here the degree is 1. The degree of 8x square y cube. So what will be the degree? Or the sum of the exponents of its variables. Now here are two variables, x and y. So the sum of their powers. So 2 plus 3. The degree is this time is 5. Similarly here x is 1, y is 4. So the degree of this is 1 plus 4, 5. Here the degree of 2 is 0 because there is no variable. Because it has got no variable. Now next is degree of a polynomial. Here though we were talking about only one term, monomial. But now we will find degree of a polynomial. The degree of a polynomial is the degree of its highest degree term. Now polynomial has got many terms, 2 or more than 2 terms. So we have to see which term is having the highest degree. Now here there are 3 terms, 1, 2 and 3. So what is the degree of 5x4? 4. The degree of 7x cube y square? 5. 3 plus 2? 5. And the degree of 2xy square? 1 and 2? 3. Which is highest? 5 is highest. It means the degree, since the highest degree term is this and its degree is 5, therefore the degree of the complete polynomial is 5. Clear? Let's see one more example. This is a polynomial, has got 3 terms. One is this, second is this, and third is this. What is the degree of this? 5. The degree of this 2 plus 4? 6. And the degree of this 3 plus 1? 4. So highest one is 6. So degree of this polynomial is 6. Now last thing is like and unlike terms. Terms having the same literal coefficients or alphabetic letters, you can say, are called like terms, whereas the terms with different literal coefficients are called unlike terms. This is very easy. I know you must all remember this. You must be remembering class 7 things again. Sorry, class 6 things. Sorry, we have done all these things in class 6. Remember, children? Now see 5x, 8x. So x literal coefficients are same. So like terms. 5x, 8y. It is x and it is having y. So literal coefficients are different. So they are unlike terms. Similarly, x square, like terms. But here x square and here x. This also makes a difference, children. It is having only power 1. It is having power 2. So they are different. They are not same. So again they are unlike terms. Okay class. Now let's see example number 1. One algebraic expression has been given to you here. And he is asking questions based on this equation, on this expression. First of all, he is asking number of terms. So plus minus separate the terms, remember? So count the terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of terms is 5. Then he is asking degree of the expression. He is asking degree of this expression. Here the degree is 0. Here when no power is there, we take it as 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Here 2 plus 3, 5. Here 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. So highest one is 7. So the degree is 7. Then he is asking coefficient of x cube in this. So remaining part. What is the remaining part? Minus 8 y 4. Y raised to the power 4. Then coefficient of x in this. So remaining part 6. Now we have taken only x. Here the power of x is 2. So 1x. 1x still there and y cube. The next is constant term. What is the constant term? Now this is having variables along with it. This is also having variables. But only 5 is there, just having no variable. So this is the constant term. Numerical coefficient in this. Now numerical coefficient of minus 8xy. So minus, say just now we have read about that. Coefficient of x square in this. So minus 8 x y 4. Why x is there? Because it is here x cube and he has taken only, he has asked for only x square. Okay.